Hello everyone, we are the students of 8th and today we are going to present an activity on adjective. So first of all, let me introduce you to our team. Myself Shifa, the leader of the group.
I am Kushal.
Myself Shaurya.
Myself Siddharth.
Myself Sanskar.
Hello, my name is Anushka.
So now I will show you some picture and you have to show some adjectives. Okay. So let's start the game. So what is this?
Diamond.
Have you ever seen a real diamond? Can you use some adjectives to describe it?
Shiny. Precious.
Stand and answer.
Shiny. More precious.
Precious diamond. Shiny diamond. Okay. What?
Diamond are very
Expensive diamonds. Okay.
Diamonds are very rare.
Rare diamonds. So here you have used adjectives to describe the diamond. Which are the words used to describe it? Rare, shiny, expensive, precious. Very good.
So now what is this?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish lives deep under the sea. Can you say some adjectives on it? The jellyfish is poisonous fish.
Okay, very good. Jellyfish is poisonous fish. Poisonous here describes about the jellyfish quality, and yeah, isn't? Okay, next. Yes,
Blue jellyfish.
blue jellyfish. It is describing its color. Jellyfish is dangerous. Okay, good.
Okay, now what is this?
Yeah.
How many of you are having cat as a pet?
Do you have cats as pets? No one. But you must be knowing the quality of cats. Yes.
Soft cat, cute cat.
It's soft cat, cute cat. Soft is what? It's furry. It's hair. Okay.
Furry cat.
Furry cat. Again, the hair we are describing.
Cute cat.
Cute cat. Here, this row.
Fluffy cat.
Fluffy. Fluffy in the sense? Soft and fluffy. Okay. Pleasant to hold.
Naughty cat.
Naughty cat. Very good.
So now Kushali will continue.
So, what is this? Pizza. So, how many of you like to eat pizza?
No one likes pizza. Oh, very good. So, can you describe it? Why do you like pizza?
Ma'am, because it is delicious.
Loudly.
Ma'am, because it is delicious.
It's delicious. Pizza is delicious. It is telling you about the taste of the pizza.
Pizza is cheesy.
Cheesy. Here,
And it's yummy to eat.
yummy. Good. Very good.
It's flavorful.
Flavorful. Okay. Spicy, we can say. Here, pizza. Yes.
Expensive.
Expensive. Okay.
So, what is this? Pastry. After having a pizza, let's have a dessert. A pastry.
Okay. A dessert. What is a dessert? Pizza you eat in the beginning of your meal, your party. You can say the first thing you can keep the pizza in your menu, isn't it? And the last thing we keep desserts in any of the parties or your food habits, meals, lunch. Okay? So what is this dessert? Yes?
Pastries are sweet and delicious.
Dessert, what do you mean by dessert? Dessert is something sweet and delicious thing. Okay. So now, what are the desserts you generally love to eat? Can you name some?
Pastry, gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun, okay, very good. So describe the pastry. Creamy pastry, very good. Creamy pastry. Anything?
Chocolatey pastry.
Chocolatey. There in the end. Yes, Ayusha? Black forest pastries. Very good. So now, can you make a sentence with a pastry? I love creamy pastries after meals. Can we say? Do you love or not? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, next.
So now Shaya will continue.
What do you see in this picture? Can you tell adjectives to describe this?
Leather bag.
Leather bag. And what is this? This bag is?
School bag.
School bag. Okay. Office bag. Heavy bag. Can you show me a heavy bag in your classroom? Okay, this is heavy bag. Hardly he can pick it up. Okay, next.
What do you see in this picture? Can you tell what adjectives to describe this?
Yes?
Pure and clean water.
Pure and clean water.
Salty water.
Salty water. Where do you get the salty water? In ocean, sea. Okay. Anything else?
Transparent water.
Transparent water. Transparent water means very neat, clean and pure water. Okay, fit to drink. Okay, next.
What do you see in this picture? Cave. Can you tell adjectives to describe it?
Okay, cave. Yes.
Cave is dark.
What?
The cave is dark.
The cave? Cave is dark. Dark caves. Okay.
Horrible.
Horrible caves. How can you say the cave is horrible?
Because they are very dark and
It's frightening. So horrible. Frightening. Okay. Deep caves. Yes?
Dark and deep caves scare.
Dark and deep caves are scary. What is the meaning of scary? Horrible. No? Nearer to meaning?
The cave has lion inside it.
A cave has the lion inside it. Okay, the lion is inside the cave. Okay, and scary is frightening, which makes you afraid. Okay, next.
Now Sanskar will continue.
Okay, so what can you see here? Rainbow. So when is rainbow seen? Can you please see?
When? Loudly.
After the rainbow.
After the rain. Okay, do you love watching rainbow? Vishal, do you love? No. You don't like rainbows, watching rainbows? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That watching rainbows are very pleasant.
Pleasant. It's very pleasant. Okay. Colorful rainbows. Okay, good. The next one.
Okay, so what is this? Air. Yes, it is air. So has anyone seen air? No. Yes, it is colorless and odorless. So can you give some adjectives?
Yes. What? Humid air. Okay. Lots of humidity in the air, we can say.
Fresh air.
Fresh air. Good. Huh? Warm air. Cool air. Okay, next.
Okay, so what is this?
A very beautiful picture. Sun, a smiling sun. Is it a smiling sun? A smiling sun means, when we say smiling sun, what do we mean? Pleasant sun. Very hot. Or
Sunny day.
when it's sunny day, but it's pleasant one, not very hot, like a scorching sun. Isn't it? Okay, the next one. Next.
Now Anuj will continue.
Okay, Anus.
So what do you see in this picture?
So show the picture nicely. Yeah. What is that? It's a blackboard.
So can you
Okay.
tell some adjectives to describe it?
Blackboard. Where is the blackboard? Here is the blackboard in your class. Describe the blackboard. Yes.
Dusty blackboard.
Dusty blackboard. Okay. Unclean blackboard. Is it unclean? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It's unclean. Your blackboard is unclean. Then it is a clean blackboard. Unclean means when it's dirty. You have not rubbed the Words, everything is written.
Our class having a large green board.
Your class is having a green board. So again, you are describing the blackboard.
So for
Okay.
what purpose it is used for?
What is the purpose used for this?
Teaching purpose.
Very good. Anything else? You can speak about your blackboard? Okay, so it's a green and clean blackboard.
So now what is this? So yes, everyone lives in nature. So can you tell some adjectives to describe it?
Nature. What? Loving nature. Okay. What is the nature outside today? Do you love today's nature? It's beautiful. You can see outside. You are having a beautiful nature.
Breathtaking nature.
Breathtaking nature. Okay, good.
And pleasant nature.
Pleasant nature. So here we come to the end of the lesson. Acha, oh, Sitanshu is left, sorry. Sitanshu, you can continue quickly.
What do you see in this picture? Apple. Can you give me a sentence on this apple?
Juicy apple, very good.
Sitanshu likes to eat two fresh apples every day.
Okay, Sitanshu loves to eat 2 fresh apples every day. That's good.
Can anyone guess a sentence on this? A famous sentence on this apple?
Okay, saying. There's a very famous saying on this apple. Yes. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay. So here we come to the end of the activity today. It was very nicely presented by our children.
Thank you.
Thank you.